Start. Well done, man. Well done. Very good. Good, Sam. Very good, man. Very good. Well done. Well done. Huh? I need it even faster, Tim, huh? Good, Sam. Very good, man. Very good. Good speed. Huh? Good, good. There's no sorries. Well done, Tim. Well done. Good style, man. Sam, swap. Sam, switch with the breather. Jade, faster than Ki. Don't be lazy. Very good, very good. Last one, very good. Jade, switch with Sam. Switch with Sam. Very good. Tim, finish and switch. Good. Switch. Yeah. Good, Sam. Rhythm. I want to hold the camera, man. I will show you guys you all get it right, okay? But trust me, the reps are very fast. They want something very special to count. Not everyone can do Kyaku.
Hi.
All the styles are very good. They're doing very well with the style. I like the style, but still like 70% of the speed, I think. Okay? Yeah, perfect. But you get ready when you say Ki. All of you guys need speed first.
Hi.
Make it faster, alright? Don't be lazy when you say Ki. This is the perfect thing. Okay? See? This is the Ki. Otherwise they wouldn't count, trust me. I've been in this situation many times before. They wouldn't count it. Just say Ki, long one. Very loud voice. Be confident. Just want you to believe in yourself first. You can beat anyone. Okay? We've had a very good training. Had a very good fitness level training and stuff. What we're doing here is not anyone else doing it. We don't do this stuff. That's a state level. That's a state level style, and not every club doing the same thing.
Hi.
We just stick to that Tuesday, Thursday stuff. So you're perfect. But for the next couple of weeks, because I wouldn't be around, I'll be Tuesday, Thursday. For the next couple of weeks, I want you to focus on speed. In and out.
Hi.
In and out. I do it slow. You know what I mean? I myself, I do it slow. I still need the speed, but I don't need it to make it faster. For me, I mean, not at this stage. In the past, I used to do it faster, but now even my timing is really slow now. But I want you to be faster. That's what I want you to practice on.
Hi.
In and out, in and out. that's slow still.
はい
You know what I mean? But with the KI, it gives a bit of a shape, you know? Alright? So, Onshigiri, Kekizuki, and braking. That's it for the tournament.
はい
Three things. Do it right for the next 5 weeks. Practice on it for the next 5 weeks. And then we'll see how it goes in the tournament. As fast as all of you can get medals.
はい
Okay? But just do that right. Okay? So, you know what to do for the next 3 weeks, right?
はい
Okay? So now let's go to the other side and do some fights. Huh? Yeah, sure, man. Yeah.
Stop, Hazem.
Stop, yeah.